Now, if you're just starting out on crypto trading, then you need an easy trading platform that will help you to learn and master crypto trading. And that's why in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to create a ByBit trading account, set it up and get it verified in order for you to kickstart your trading journey as soon as possible. Now, the very first thing you want to do is to go to your application store, search for ByBit application and choose this first one. Now, in my case, it says update, but you might see installed if you do not have it on your device already. So I will just go ahead and install it or update the app in order for me to get the latest features added to this platform. And when you are done, click on open. Now come down to this place and hit sign up. Now right here is where you enter your email address, your password, and make sure that the password you have chosen is what you can easily remember. And you can also sign up directly using your Google account. Alternatively, you can also sign up using your phone number if you do not have an email address. This is just a way ByBit will use to notify you on whatever thing that is going on in your account. So I have an email address. I'll also put my password, and your password must also meet these requirements in order to enhance the security of your account. Alright, now click on this referral code, then paste the code you are seeing on the screen right here. This is actually my referral code, but when you use it, you will get some coupons and bonuses as you begin to trade. And after that, you click on sign up. And this is just a little verification. You need to slide this bar until it covers the missing parts, alright? And after that, a 6-digit code was sent to the email we just entered. So I will just open my email, then copy the code and paste it here. Now our account is almost ready, guys, but we need to get it verified in order for us to use the features on this trading platform. So you can choose to skip this step if you are not ready yet for the verification processes. And whenever you are ready, you can always go to your profile. This particular notification is always on your profile and you can go ahead and verify. But let's say that you want to verify right now, then you will need to provide any valid identification card or bank verification number. And they will also need to take a live picture of your face to show that you are a real person. Now let's click on this button to proceed. And here it says unverified. But when we verify our account, we're going to be able to deposit, trade, and also make money on this particular platform. So click on verify now. Now you need to select your location. I will leave it on Nigeria where I stay. And all these are different types of documents you can use to verify your account, ranging from BVN, ID card, driver's license, passport, residential permit, and so on. So these are the requirements concerning the nature of the documents you are going to use. Now let's say you want to use your ID card. Then you can click here to proceed. And right here, if you stay in the United States, then you can select this second option, but I will go with the first one since I'm not in the United States right now. So after that, I will click on continue. So right here, you need to snap the front and the back side of the ID card you want to use. And because I already used my own documents to verify one of my accounts, I will not take this process. But trust me guys, it's very easy and it will only take 2 minutes to get your account verified. Now, if you want to use your BVN, which makes it easier because you're not going to snap and upload any document, then select the BVN and click on confirm. Then do the same thing we did before and click on continue. And this will also take 2 minutes to get your account verified. So click on continue. Here you need to enter your bank verification number and your last name, which is also your middle name. And I already used my BVN in my main account, so I won't use it again to get another ByBit account verified. But the process is just easy and simple. So when you are done providing your profile information, then click on continue. And the next page will open up the camera of your device. in order to take the photo of your face. Now this is to ensure that you are a real person. Then just follow the prompts on the screen, and when you are done, your account will be verified in 2 minutes. And this is how your account is going to look like when your account is verified. So all you need to do is to click on your profile, and you're going to see this checkmark badge on your profile, which means that your account is verified successfully. Now there are a couple of other things you need to do to enhance the security of your account. And these include entering your phone number. They will send some codes to that number, then you get it verified. And also choosing your funding password. You can also use your login password as well. So this password is what you're going to be using whenever you want to do any transactions. All these things will help you to increase the security level of your trading account. Now, my next videos will be on how to deposit money into ByBit, start trading, and start making money even as a complete beginner. So make sure to like this video, join us on Telegram for crypto related content. See you there.